That there are no child marriages. The state human rights commissions have been asked to submit reports to the Supreme Court on child marriages, and also because of this, the concerned officers in the districts are being held accountable if there is a child marriage in their district. And because of this PI, the centre is coming up with a new law on abolition of child marriages. Dalit rights, even though the constitution of the country has banned untouchability, and there is the Prevention of Atrocities Act against Dalits, 1989. In spite of this, Dalits in the country face a lot of stigma, humiliation, marginalization, and face a lot of resistance. And we have been using the courts again to empower Dalit communities. We empower them on capacity building, exercise on know their rights, and we also take up issues in various courts. One of the important cases which is happening in Delhi right now is the Mirspur case, where a disabled girl and her father from the scheduled caste community, Dalit community, were burnt alive in Haryana 2 years back. And we did a lot of fact-finding, we produced a lot of documentation to the Supreme Court, and because of which we have been able to reach out to the community in Haryana, and we've been able to ensure a lot of their related issues on human rights, right to food, right to health, right to education. And in this particular case, the Supreme Court has come down very heavily upon the Haryana government, where there's been a lot of Dalit rights violations over the last couple of years. And the Supreme Court has asked the government, Haryana government, to submit a statement of all the atrocities which have happened in the state in the last couple of years, and also what action the state has taken to prevent these atrocities. In the particular Mirspur case, we have been able to get almost, I think, 16 people have been convicted in that Mirspur violence. National campaign for dignity of sewerage workers, ये हमने दिल्ली में हाई कोर्ट में ये PI फाइल किया था, जिसमें हमने for about 8,000 sewer workers को represent किया था. You know, these people are from the Valmiki community, and they go down the sewers to clean the sewers, and they covered with human excreta, a lot of chemical effluents, and this creates a lot of disease, illness, and even disability at times. And the court has passed very wide-ranging orders in this particular PI, that there should be investigations, there should be prosecutions, and these persons should be compensated, they should be rehabilitated, their right to health should be ensured, and they will also be given protective equipment when they go down these sewers. We had a meeting in our office last month, and this is one area that we will be working on nationally. In particular, the manual scavenging which is happening in most of our cities, where you have these human beings who are collecting human excreta from homes, and where they are being paid pittance of 2 to 3 rupees a day. And we are doing extensive fact-finding on this issue, and we will be again going to the Supreme Court to protect these rights of these workers. Tribal rights, we have been working again using the law to protect rights of tribals. There was this report which had come up, and we've again instigated went to the courts on this matter, where there were reports saying that Anganwadis were not coming up in tribal areas and in areas where scheduled castes and scheduled tribes stay. And through the court orders, we were able to ensure the setting up of Anganwadis and supplementary nutrition centers in tribal areas and in Dalit communities. Then in Bombay, in Maharashtra, there are certain tribes which have been have been classified as criminal tribes, and this happened